Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert decimal to binary. Okay, we have an example. We convert decimal 13 to binary. To convert 13 to binary, we have three columns: division step, quotient, and remainder. The first step is to divide 13 by 2. We have 13 divided by 2 equals 6. And the remainder is 1. Next, step number 2 is to divide 6 by 2. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And we have no remainder. So we have 0. Step number 3, divide 3 by 2. Okay, so we have 3 divided by 2. The quotient is 1 and we have remainder 1. The next step is step number 4, divide 1 by 2. So we have 1 divided by 2 equals 0. Okay, the quotient is 0 and write remainder 1. Based on the given step, the third step is to continue dividing until the quotient becomes 0. And the next one is to write down the remainders in reverse order to get the binary representation. And the fourth step is to write down the numbers in reverse order to get the binary representation. Therefore, 13 in binary is 1101. Okay, now let's continue. We have bit in binary. A single binary digit is called a bit. Example, 10111. It is a 5-bit binary number. Okay, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 100. 100 is a 3-bit binary number. We count 1, 2, 3. Next example, we have 100101. It is a 6-bit binary number. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's all for now and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.